how to test your connection on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to test your connection on Opera Mini. First you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this one here and then click here, and now just go down until you find this one, advanced, and click on it, and then you will see here this one, test connection. Click on it, and as you see I have a working network connection, and that's how to test your connection on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.